Alright, what's up everybody? So in the last video I told you that I was going to give you a tour of Wanda the bus, but I lied. So I can't give you the full tour of Wanda without telling you the reason and the story of why we got her in the first place. Now 6 months prior, Jen and I had just returned from a cross country and back 7,500 mile van trip where we lived out of a conversion van that we called Percy Van Campin'. We built a little bed frame, we threw our queen-size Tempur-Pedic mattress in the back seat, grabbed a 5-gallon water jug, and we hit the road. We went all the way to California, kind of the northern part of California, all the way down to San Diego when we came back and we took the southern route. Now, I took the GoPro along, and Jen has literally been asking for a video from this trip for, I think we're going on 3 years now, so here's the reason why we purchased Wanda, and this one is for you, babe.
Your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Just say so, just say so. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Under oceans and over rainbows. Look, I gotta tell it like it is. I never met no one like you. I'm gonna call it like I see it, yeah. And girl, I wanna see this through. It's true. There's nothing we both can't do like you. Yo, scoop, shooby doop doop. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Just say so, just say so. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Under oceans and over rainbows. Through sunshine and snow, riptides below, mountains above, the pull of the moon, composing a tune, directed by love, love. Baby, baby, you're a beautiful thing. You're like the very first flower, the beginning of spring. Honey, honey, let me buy you a ring, and I can serenade you when your bird don't sing. People talk about the weather a lot, I just talk about you whether they like it or not, yeah. Cause you're the only real plans that I got. Forget about the weather, rock my sweater when it's not hot. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Under oceans and over rainbows. The cool of the shade, memories made, mysteries too. The heat of the sun, second to none, is burning for you. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Just say so, just say so. I wanna follow you where your brain goes under oceans and over rainbows. If you want me to, then baby, say so. Under oceans and over rainbows.
So that was the trip that did it for us. You know, we hadn't really experienced anything like that. Just the freedom to kind of go where we want, do what we want. It was an amazing experience. So, you know, before we even got home, we had already made a decision that we wanted to keep going and we wanted to keep traveling. So we decided to look for something a little bit bigger and something that we can kind of live in more permanently. So we found Wanda on Craigslist up in Asheville near Black Mountain. Low mileage diesel, the perfect size for what we wanted at that time. And it's been about 3 years now since we started working on her, so hasn't quite panned out how we wanted. You know, we had planned to be on the road and doing all this stuff, but you know, life happens, things change. And in the next video, I'll kind of give you a breakdown of where we're at with that. I'll give you the tour of Wanda. Maybe not in the next video. In the next few, I got a plan for the other one. But in the meantime, you could follow Wanda on Instagram at Wanda Outside. And if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys next time.